Hey there, and welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial video. For today's video, I'm going to show you the steps in order to make a talking AI photo avatar. So by now, I'm sure you're all aware of these AI image generative programs. So for the purposes of this video, we're going to be using the program gencraft.com. This is pretty much like any other text-to-image generative AI program where we input a text prompt in order to generate an image for us. Since we are making a talking AI avatar, let's generate an image of a beautiful Korean girl with eyeglasses. This will be our AI-generated image in order to input into our AI talking software. Now, once we've let GenCraft generate our image, we're going to be using the website annieeraser.media.io in order to remove those pesky little watermarks found on these AI-generated images. So go ahead and go to the website shown here in order to upload our AI-generated image. Once we've uploaded the image we wish to fix the watermark on, go ahead and fix the brush size for the Annie Eraser application, and select the watermark on the image, and go ahead and click on Remove Objects Now in order to run the software. Now, after removing the GenCraft watermark, as you see, there will be watermarks from annieeraser.com, but that can also be easily removed with a short trial period from annieeraser.media.io themselves. Now, once we have our AI-generated image without any of the watermarks, we're going to be using the application 11labs.io in order to generate the AI talking speech effect. Once you've gone to 11labs.io's website, we're going to be choosing the option Speech Synthesis on the upper portion of the menu. Just follow along with the video for the proper settings for this speech synthesis to create our talking AI photo. Feel free to input any text you wish your image to say. I'll also give you another website you can use other than 11 Labs. Here, we can use the d-id.com website in order to create another AI generative language talking photo. Using DID is also really quite simple. All we have to do is upload our image and then create a video from their dashboard. A nice feature about DID is that instead of typing a script, we can also upload our own voice audio so that the AI image can mimic whatever audio we feed to it. So choose whichever option works for you, and then click on Generate in order to see your video of the AI photo talking. And there are two options for you to use in order to create an AI talking photo. If you have any questions regarding these programs, let us know in a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this one, and we'll definitely see you all in the next one.
This is Demo iAvatar video by Tutorialboxx. Hit the subscribe button if you like it.